All right, so we have a very nice Ibanez mandolin we're going to do the setup on. There's not too much to it, really. It's in good shape. Um, there are a lot of great videos out there about setting up instruments, stringed instruments, and mandolins specifically. I'll put a link to a couple of them. Oops, down there. But I'll show you what I've been doing is normally I just start by playing the instrument for a bit, make sure it sounds good, that there's nothing really wrong. And I want to check things like how straight the neck is. You can't see it here, but usually you look down the neck this way, and the neck is really very good. And I want to adjust the bridge here because this is an adjustable bridge. So I've got to get in focus here. I don't know if you can see that. The bridge has these little nuts on it here, right there. That can make it go up and down. So I'd like to adjust the bridge so that I get the action as low as I possibly can here. This is called the action. That's this space between the strings and the frets. So I want to get it down as low as I can just to see how it does. And right now they're pretty darn low. I've got it dialed down pretty nicely. If I was really going to take it to another level, I would change out this nut up here to a bone nut. This is plastic, but I would put bone here. But for right now, I think that'll do. And the only other thing I'm doing is that when these come with this kind of a bridge on them, this part of the bridge is kind of sharp, and you're like this with your hand, and you don't want to have your hand get uncomfortable. So I usually file these down and just make them smoother. So other than that, it really is a very nice instrument. We might change the strings on it, although these sound all right. So we'll just take it from there. So that's it. That's all setting up an instrument really is I could check the frets and make sure that that they see if they need any leveling. But I did look at them with a straight edge. I use various straight edges, but for this one I just used this part of a fast, whatever they call that thing. Anyhow, this triangle thing. This has got a nice flat edge on it. And the frets look good. So I don't really need to do much there. And I think it's just time to play the instrument for a while and have some fun with it. So anyhow, that's it. Short video. How to set up a mandolin. That's all I'm going to say about that. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.